This is another quick video on how to adjust goggles. I do these videos because I get so many parents and students coming to me and saying, I just bought these goggles and I don't know how to adjust them. This type are a clip-in type and a little different because they have these clips that slot into the side of the goggles to secure the straps in place. You simply pull it out there and adjust. You'll notice the two prongs that extend from the clip that holds the strap in place. All these prongs have to do is go back into the hole like this. However, the straps can be removed through the prongs to release the strap for further adjustment. Thus, this is not something I recommend, but once removed like this, as sometimes happens, either on purpose or by some fiddling, all you have to do is reverse the process. Like this, and this, and this, then this. And finally you clip it home like this. And that's how you adjust the slot-in type swimming goggles.